Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to download and install Microsoft Teams in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Open the start menu and select any web browser. In this case I use Google Chrome and go to google.com and hit enter and type Microsoft Teams download and hit enter. Go to the official site of Microsoft Teams. Is here and click on the download button for desktop, and you can show two options for home and small enterprise, or working and educational. In this case I use home edition. And go to the start menu and browse your file explorer and go to download folder directory, or one click and select show in folder, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes. And wait a moment for process of installation and downloading Microsoft Teams, installing Microsoft Teams. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.